Welcome back to Panic Garage. Today we're going to rebuild an M80 Commodore Diff. I've hurt the one in the VY and leaked all the juices out and started making a clunking noise. The original one's still, well, the second one that I put in it's still in it. I've got another one here that we're going to pull apart. We're going to put a 31 spline full spool in it, new bearings and 3.9 gears. Gives a bit more wheel speed, so stay tuned. First of all, we'll drain the oil. There's a bolt at the bottom, which is the drain. Let's see if I got the muscles or care to crack this today. Yummy. Alright, got most of the juices out, so we'll swap over and crack. Take this off to make life a little bit easier. And then we'll crack all these bolts. These retainers here, gotta keep these if you're doing a standard diff hat. I've got a Harrop diff hat with the big bracket, stop the axle tramp. I don't run speed sensors on this thing anymore, so they're just... Alright, you'll need a 13mm. That's the little retainer for your center adjustment. Alright, just lever the cover off. Two locating dowels that make it a bitch. Yep. Standard cover. I always put a bit too much of this RTV crap on. But as you can see, there's the LSD center. Yeah. Alright, we'll work on popping the splines out and then we will go from there. Alright, stub axle is out. They just got this little retaining collar, spring, whatever you want to call it. A couple of taps with a hammer and a podgy cold chisel, whatever you got handy. We'll get it out. Number 2. Alright, to make life easy, it's got two 10mm bolts and a bit of 25mm box, and measured for the pickup points, and then just boom, cracked it. Saw how easy it is. Pretty simple. And then you can just pull the carrier for the bearing out. Its needle bearings are pretty good. The carrier's pretty good. Never know, might reuse them. No, we'll replace them. And there we go. Center is out. All you got to do is slide it that way. Boom, out. Done. Easy. Next, to get the pinion out, and I'll have to go get my big ugga dugga gun because I can't be bothered using bars and shit to do it like other people. And we'll just dugga dug it out, and then we'll just pop the crown out, the pinion out, and wait for parts to turn up. Then it'll be assembly time. Got the M80 socket, ugga dugga machine. And off she comes. Off it comes. Got a 3-jaw puller. There we go. Another thing off. And then it's just getting the pinion out. Pinion is out. Alright, that's the assembly part of the M80. Tune in next time and we'll put it back together with all the new goodies. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Be good or be good at it.